Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to my channel Divine Energy Tarot. Our today's topic is what is next in your love life, or what is going on in your love life, and who else is coming. Is there anyone who is interested in you, or who next is in who next is coming in your life? So we will see. So basically, this is a love reading. We will see what is going on, what is coming up, what is the energy. Uh, if you have someone in your mind, so what's their energy, we will check. Okay, so please remember before we start that this will be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with each and every one of you, and for personal reading, check the description box below, or else you can join me on Instagram at Divine Energy Tarot, guys. Link I have mentioned in the description box below. Okay, and you can suggest me some topics, you can let me know which country you are watching from. So yeah, like, share, subscribe, guys. If you really like this video, like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. We will start with this option. So we have two options in front of us. I'll show you. Option number one is this ring, this heart-shaped blue sparkling ring, and queen is the queen ring, option number one. And this along with this pen, I'll just show you. Green pen and this ring, option number one. Option number two is this orange pen and this butterfly. I hope you can see. Orange pen and this butterfly. So option one, green pen and heart-shaped ring, heart-shaped sparkling ring. Option number two is this orange pen and butterfly. So you can just pause the video, meditate on the video, you can choose your option. Okay, I'll start with this option. I'll keep this aside. Okay, those who have chose this green pen and heart-shaped green sparkling colorful pen and this heart-shaped sparkling ring, so we will see what is going on in your love life. The Fool. Okay, we have received the Nine of Wands. We have received Queen of Pentacles. We have received Six of Pentacles. We have received Four of Pentacles. We have received Ace of Pentacles and Five of Cups. Okay, so someone over here is very much fearful and very much upset and sad about love life. Definitely, I am feeling this is you, but this can be your partner's energy as well. So what happened is that you have some sort of regret and loss in emotional matter, in love matter. You are missing your past person, you are missing someone badly, and you feel like there was no equal give and take. Rather, you didn't give time or same amount of energy and commitment, or this can be your person. So there was no equal give and take. Okay, but I am feeling this is your energy, and you are also very much fearful. Someone was over here in a relationship was very much fearful, and now they regret it, that why I was completely in my fear. For some of you, this can be you, or your person can be very much defensive as well, very much holding back their feelings. Definitely with this Four of Pentacles, someone over here is holding back their feelings, not showing emotions, not sharing or expressing themselves, or a lot of love and a lot of money also they have. Whoever has a lot of money and love, they don't show it. Okay, and they don't know how to share it. Whether they are it's their emotions or money or wealth. So definitely someone is over here holding back a lot. So this is the love reading. Someone can be materialistic as well over here, and a bit impulsive as well. So now what is going to happen in your love life? It's like new beginning is going to start. Okay, stability will come with this Queen of Pentacles and Ace of Pentacles. I am feeling like stability will come in your relationship, in your love life, definitely. And you will have some sort of new beginning, new start. Okay, you will ask me now, with the same person? Yes, there are chances with the same person, only if that person, whoever is fearful, if you or your person come come out of their fear and their disappointments and their loss, then there are chances this relationship can work. And the one who is holding back, they will express themselves. Okay, there are chances this relationship can go to a stable, more committed, stable, towards stability and more committed relationship, and it will take a year or so. Okay, there are chances you can get married to this person. It will take a year or so, and new beginning will happen. There are chances, yes. Okay. Let me just check the bottom of the deck of this King of Wands. Definitely, so you are dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or this can be you. Another sign which I am seeing strongly: Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and Gemini as well. A bit of Gemini sign also I am seeing. Okay. And if you feel like if there was a third person's interference, third party's interference in your relationship, then I can see, it will be removed, but it will take time of 1 year or so. Okay, so now we will just pull out some charms for you. Not so many charms, only a bit charms. Okay, so let's see. Okay, for small percentage I am feeling your person is married somewhere else. So third person's interference is definitely there. That is why they are fearful, they are scared to express themselves, express their feelings. Also I can see if they are they are not independent, then I can see they that is why they are not expressing themselves. Someone's birthday may come in December month, or December month will be important to you for your relationship. That is also what I am feeling. Yes, some of you I can feel your person is married. Small percentage I am feeling, yes. And or else, and others of you, they are married and they have children. That is also what I am feeling. But this person wants to talk to you, but they have a lot of fear, or this can be you also. Okay, just take according to your situation. So someone wants to communicate, but they fear or third party or third person or money, materialistic, financial loss, or some sort of past loss, emotional past traumas, or financial situation is holding them back. Okay, someone can be over here a guitarist, or play, you or your person loves to play musical instrument, or this person is this or you person can be connected to music, or this person or you can be singer, writer. Okay, so someone definitely has broke up over here in this relationship. But I don't think this relationship is over, no, because I have received only 5 of Cups card. This relationship is not over. I'm telling you, there are chances this can start again. Okay, so past person, there are chances of past person can come back, and there will be a new beginning with them. Okay, and others of you who don't want your past person back, with the Fool card and with this Ace of Pentacles, I am telling you, you will find a life partner with whom you can get live your life. You can get married. There are chances you'll find your love partner, life partner within a year, or round about a 1 year time. I am feeling like that. Yeah, or in December you'll find your partner, and then you can get married to them. So that is what I am feeling, pile 1, in you. Okay, let me just pull out some smileys also for you, so we will get idea. Okay, so definitely see, this is the same princess over here also, the same, and over here also the same. So most of you, I am not seeing any third party. This person is thinking about you only, and you are thinking about them only, definitely. But if they are very much fearful, then I would suggest you to do not reach out to them. Okay, let them reach out to you. That is what I am feeling, pile 1. Yeah, So yeah, thank you so much. Hope you liked it, hope you got some insights, and I will see you next time. If you want me to pull out some initial, let me pull out. Let me wait. I'll pull out some initials for you from your person. So we have received A, L, S, D. We have received twice. We have received D. We have received I. Okay, L, A, S, and L, A, S, D, I. Twice we have received D. Yeah, so this can be your partner's initials, name, surname, middle name, or your initials, name, surname, middle name. Okay, so this is what is going to happen in your love life, and this is the current energy. Please remember, this was a general reading. Thank you so much. Hope to see you in my next video, guys. Okay, now let's move to the pile 2. Okay, so those who have chose this orange pen and this butterfly option, okay, let's see what else, sorry, what is going on in your love life, and who is coming in your love life, the past person or old, or what is the energy. Let's see what is next coming in your relationship, what will be your next relationship, who will be that person. So we will see. We have received the Emperor, the Magician, Knight of Swords, Four of Wands, Five of Cups, oh, Queen of Swords, and Three of Swords. Okay, so definitely someone over here is heartbroken. You had a breakup, someone has cheated you, ditched you. Again, please remember, this can be your person's energy as well. This is a general reading, so if this energy is not applying to you, so it means your person's energy I am grabbing. So yeah, so someone over here is heartbroken, definitely disappointed, heartbroken, emotional loss, guilty. There is a still hope in the situations. Someone over here has cheated you, I can feel it, definitely. You might have watched pile 1 as well. For some of you, I am feeling, because Five of Cups card we have received in pile 1 also. We have received Five of Cups card in pile 1. So with the Emperor and the Magician, I can feel your person is a bit egoistic, and they are manifesting you currently. The person who has cheated you, or you had a breakup or separation with this person, definitely they are manifesting you, and they want to rush towards you, come towards you. They want to fight with you, they want to patch up with you, they want to fight and patch up and make up and all those vibe I am getting. This person can be air sign, strongly Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, air element I am seeing. This person can be a logical person as well, an egoistic person. With this Emperor I am feeling. Aries sign strongly, and Aquarius, Libra, Gemini sign strongly I am feeling. This can be you or your person's sign. And small percentage I am feeling Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, so definitely now this person has, if this person has cheated you or broke up with you and walked away from you, now they are disappointed, now they are feeling guilty, they are feeling your loss, now they are manifesting, and they want to come towards you, they want to rush towards you, but they are just bit in their ego and pride, because if they have walked away and they broke up with you, then they are like let them come to you, let them come to me. So they are manifesting you, so they want you to come towards them. And if you have broke up with your person, so take according to your situation, so vice versa, the same situation. So you have blocked your heart chakra, now your walls are up, you are protecting yourself, you don't want anyone to break your heart. So now you are just protecting your heart with this Queen of Swords, with this Three of Swords, because badly this breakup has, and this relationship or breakup has happened very badly, and someone over here is still healing and grieving for the loss. But this person is thinking that this is not over, okay, and they want to marry you. That is also what I am feeling. Definitely this person wants to marry you. And for small percentage, I am getting the energy, this person can be married or committed to their family or business or career or something like that. Okay, for small percentage I am feeling. Okay, with this Emperor and Four of Wands, I am feeling they can be married or they are committed to their business, money, career, something like that, but they are manifesting you, and this relationship is not over. Same I am feeling in the pile 1 also, same I was feeling in the pile 1. Okay, this relationship is not over. Even if your person is married, no, they are manifesting you, they will come back to you, they will come and contact you. They are trying, and they are, you know, giving, might, for some of you, your person might be giving you some hints and, you know, trying to manipulate you, or trying to ask to your friends or check your social media, but they are not showing to you because their pride and ego comes in their way. They want you to come towards them. So with this Magician, I am feeling when you will not call, you know, you should wait for them to contact you if you want your past person back. And if you'll not contact them, then I can see they will rush towards you, come towards you, they will contact you, they will come to meet you. Their energy is like, you know, they will come to meet you, you know, just today. That's what the energy I am feeling. And others of you, if you want new person, then also I am seeing past person is coming back. So sorry, but yeah, I am feeling past person is coming back, but small percentage I am feeling you will have the choices from past person and new person. So past person will be elder to you, or new person will be elder to you, or there will be a age gap between two partners. So if past person is coming, so they can be elder to you, and new person is coming, then they can be younger to you. So those sort of age gap can happen, or it can be vice versa also. Past person can be younger to you, and or new person can be older to you. So but most of you, I am feeling past person will come back, and you will celebrate with them, and you will go with them, you will select them only, definitely. With this Queen of Swords, I am feeling like, you know, you are going to choose you are going to be defensive, but at the end you will choose them. Okay, let's pull out smileys randomly. So yes, definitely, see, like I've said, this person is going to call you, contact you, and also they will come to meet you. I am feeling like that. This person is in the Magician energy and can be bit playful and manipulative. They can influence you very well, others, they can influence others very well, and they want you to come towards them. So bit playful and bit manipulative vibe I am getting. Okay, others of you, I am seeing your person can be very much shy, feeling shy to, okay, and very much their nature can be very much fun loving, playful, very much light vibe I am feeling over here. They want to make you laugh, they want to make you smile. Okay, those sort of vibe I am getting with this smileys. Let me pull out some initials for you. So we have received F, we have received O, we have received P, we have received V, we have received I, we have received U, we have received T, we have received C, we have received U again, we have received N, and we have received W. So this can be your person's name, middle name, surname, or your name, middle name, surname. Okay, initials or another initial S. So you might have chose pile 1 also. I am feeling like that for some of you. If you are attracted to, you can watch both option. Okay, in my readings it happens sometimes. Most of the times my picker cards are continuation, or else my picker cards are past, present, future energy. So yeah, you can go and watch pile 1. Okay, I am feeling like that. So now we will move to the I also feel like for some of you, someone's birthday or some sort of celebration is coming. Maybe you'll meet them in some event or function, or someone's wedding, or someone's birthday or anniversary, or your birthday is coming. And if you are married to this person, then you know your anniversary is coming and they will contact you. In short, there is some sort of celebration which you will celebrate together. That is what I am feeling. Let me pull out some charms for you. I'll put it over here. Okay, just a second. Okay. Oh my god, so definitely love is coming for you guys. Definitely your past person is coming back. Most of you, 90% I am feeling your past person is coming back, and a new romance and new cycle will start with that person. And for 10% I am feeling, for small percentage, for some of you I am feeling new romances can come towards you. Also, if you feel like, you know, there is, my love life is, you know, stopped since long time, nothing is moving, you know, when sun will shine in my love life, or you know, when I will be happy, then I am seeing, you know, you need some you should heal your childhood trauma. If you have been through any traumas, this can be for some of you only. Okay, and if you have healed already yourself, then I am seeing, you know, progress. Definitely a progress is coming. I can also feel if someone was interfering in your connection, rather third person or third party involvement, or some of their friends or your friends are buttering you, or were very sweet talking, or you know, talking good on their face and speaking bad behind their back or your back. So if you have some sort of mutual friends, or their friends or family are like that, or your friends or family are like that, and you know, there was a third party or third person's interference, then I am feeling it has been removed. Okay, most of you it has been removed, and for some of you it will be removed. Okay, it is in the process. Okay, that is also what I am feeling. I also feel your person belongs to a wealthy background, or they have a family business, or they are business owner, entrepreneur, or doing something on their own, like they are very much wealthy. And this can be you as well. Okay, but very much wealthy vibe I'm getting from your person. They can be Aries sign, or they can be fire element, or Aries, the Sagittarius, or Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Strongly I am feeling. Okay, so I am feeling some of you or your person used to dream of having child with you. Okay, this can be for some of you, I am feeling. Okay, so yeah, there are chances of a childbirth in the future in this pile. Let me just check if there how much time. Okay, go and watch pile 1, guys, please. Okay, let me see. Okay, so Page of Cups, Queen of Swords. Okay, so 6 number or 6 month or 6 date can be important to you or your person. And in pile 1 also I have received December month, and in your pile also I am feeling December month and 6 number. So you just take what resonates with you. So yeah, 6 number can be someone's date or important month, or okay. And this person can contact you within I am feeling for some of you 6 weeks, 6 months, or 6 days, depends on your situation. For some of you 6 days, 6 weeks, and 6 months, this person can contact you. Okay, let me pull out one more card. I just want to exactly give you. Okay, so others of you, I am feeling maximum 10 months, not more than 10 months, this person will reach out to you. If you don't reach out, then this person will reach out to you. They are trying to you know manifest you so that you can contact them, but I think I don't think you will contact them. him or her. So I feel like, you know, they will reach out to you within 6 days to 10 months. So this time period I am giving. So depends on your situation when your person can contact you. So this is what I feel for you in your love life. I am not making too long videos. Okay, so I hope you got some insights regarding your love life, or who is coming, or what is going on in your relationship, or what is coming in your next in your love life. So I hope you got some clarity. Thank you so much. Please remember, this was a general reading. It may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. And sometimes it happens the messages are for only one person. It can happen that they are only resonating to one person, so it can happen. So yeah, thank you so much guys. Love and light to you. Namaste. And please remember, this is not a private reading. You can check the description box below for private reading, guys. Okay guys, bye bye, or bye bye.